Before they started cooking, Alicia and the organizations asked me to present a special club that we have in this area for all the Rutas de Carlos V. I wrote everything, and that way I will speak more slowly, because I used to speak extremely fast, and they told me that some of you are not too sure in their English. If you want, stop me, ask me to repeat, whatever, I am at your entire disposition. First, good morning, like they say, and most welcome to the first show cooking. It's this one especially prepared for you by one of the labels of the club I am going to present. The club is Charles V, not first, the fifth, Touristic Products Club, and they sponsor this event. The main objective of the club the main objective of the club is to promote the mainly products and business activities, all related to the cultural route of Carlos V through Spain and Europe. With this in mind, the club aimed to promote a high level of excellence, focusing mainly on three special areas: hostelry, handcraft, and agricultural products. The club also pretends to integrate, to agglutinate within the network all the initiative of all the people interested in those three categories. With this purpose in mind, 6 quality labels were created. The first one, Hospedajes Imperiales, or Imperial Lodging, Fogones Imperiales, Imperial Kitchen, Artesania Imperial, or Imperial Handcraft, Productos Agroalimentarios, Agricultural Product, establecimiento colaboradores, que son los collaborating in associate businesses, and Museo y Centro de Interpretación, the museum, and the Interpretative Thematic Center. Today, the chef of those 2 restaurants, member of the label Fogones Imperiales, Imperial Kitchen, will prepare for you some of the dishes that they present on the special Imperial menu. But before, I have another presentation, the Duo Imperial. The Duo Imperial is a fairly new proposal of event celebrating around the presence of Carlos V or Carlos I, Charles I and the Fifth in this area. The duo was born as an initiative of Adolfo Lopez, the gentleman who portrayed the emperor that you will meet later on. He thought on a way to complement the experience of dining and launching special dishes of the emperor, adding a little touch, a little ingredient to make the experience a bit more agreeable. The idea comes from the very beginning, from the full support of the network of the cultural route, especially its managing director, Mr. Quintin Correas. He thought that not only the Duo Imperial could be used at the local level, but more at the national, serving as a kind of ambassador of the cultural route. With this objective in mind, and to create a bit more flexibility and adaptable product, from dinner to luncheon to convention to exposition, festival, or any event, it was decided to create a character, fictitious, a kind of a companion, partner to the emperor, someone a kind of dialogue with him. Oh, merci. That is murderous. a kind of a partner to the emperor, who could give him the replica, who could offer additional information. Using the expert help of the Professor Ignacio Chato, that we all call Nacho, a new personage was born, la Comtesse de Nicolette. How to present her? A childhood friend of the emperor, raised with him and his two sisters in the court of Flanders, and that way you explain the friendly relationship and my French accent. The Comtesse is believed to have traveled with the emperor and his two sisters on their last trip from Flanders to Spain for his retirement. The new imperial main objective is the promotion and the publicity of the gastronomy of this region and all the gastronomy of the route of the empire. Like from the cuisine of the Renaissance period to all the new products that came, especially in this region from the America, tomato, pimento, all of them, and especially the products that have made this region world famous, like the pimentón de la Vera, our smoked paprika. In a few words, to resume, promote and share the culture surrounding the whole gastronomy around the route of Carlos V. The project also comes with the full collaboration of Mr. Victor Fernandez Correa, who is a journalist, a writer, and very well known for his knowledge of Carlos and his world. At last, I may add that the performance of the duo Imperial can be adapted to any kind of public and are offered in Spanish, French, and English. And now, as a special surprise, His Majesty Charles V would like to say a few words.